this is how it feels like. Basically, kind of like if you become your thought, you go with your thought in a way, right? So you lose sense and perception of the present. And that's why you can see those people who are thinking, they will be like focused. They will be like, because they are thinking. And someone who is in present will talk with the more awareness of the present, react to the environment around more. Because when you do that, it's basically just like using the mental power to its extreme. It's like you are hypnotizing someone. It's like with your words only, with the keywords, not the way you are speaking or your body language or anything, but just the words, keywords in themselves. Because the other person is only seeing the keywords only. They don't know, from their perspective it is all fake only. And so these are the two places. So people who are in this kind of weird state, like most of the people, that they are not able to see life right in front of them. They are lost so much in the story of the mind, so much. Basically, this story of mind game was a game which the humans like agreed to play together. But now they are like competing for it. Like it was just like you are here, so you need to do something. Do you think human figured out like food problems so long ago? At the time when agriculture was first discovered, that is like what do you say? At least 3,000 years in India, like people are practicing agriculture. Like oldest civilization around the rivers, like how the cities were planned, everything. So if you analyze like even this video, you will understand at what points I am thinking, like kind of making sense. Okay, so this is how what I've told them, like this is where we have reached in the story, so we need to reach here. Like basically the aim of the video, right? So you come up with like, okay, this is the point that I'm trying to communicate, and then you see, okay, this side is communicated, this side is communicated, this side is communicated, and this side is communicated. So even my words that I am saying are also the same story. So I'm not saying, if you are treating words only based on your mental interpretation of the meaning, because meaning everybody have is personal, you have to understand. There is no like this word and that meaning and everybody understand that meaning. It doesn't work like in that robotic way. People associate the meaning of the tree where they like, so simple. I mean, I don't know how people don't understand. Like for tribal people, tree is like actually like a life. And you cannot understand that feeling from outside, because for that you have to live in such an environment that you observe a tree so much more carefully. It's like if I isolate you with only 3 people, okay, and I isolate you for like a month, you will understand like such minute behavior of all of those two, like other two. You will be like, oh, this guy does this in the morning. Like you will start to understand it in a minute way. So if you start living with a tree, you start understand tree also in the same way. And so there will be a relation. Because the relation is anyways what is there. My relation to this tree as an identity is nothing different than my relation with any other human being as an identity. It's the same. So these words, whatever is creating the image in your mind, which only you knows,